Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kari here. So I got a very special video for y'all today, man. Last night I was hanging out over in Laureles with the homie, and I decided to up the camera. So today I got some footage from over in Laureles where we were. It was actually right by the stadium. So last night there was a game for the team Athetico Nacional. It's the probably most famous team in Colombia for soccer. And last night there was a game, so there was tons of people walking to the stadium. So I caught that on camera for you guys. I even met a cool dude that offers a tour service out here, so you'll see him in the video. And yeah, Nacional won against the Patriots of Boyacá 1-0. So man, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe.
Cerveza carpas. Cerveza agua carpas.
What up, my G? We out here, son. Come to Medellin right here. The best tour guide. You ready know I got the best homes.
Yo, drop your Instagram.
Right Instagram and Paisa 21, 23, 2021. Right here, straight Medellin status, straight Queens, New York, Florida, right here in the house. That's how we do it, bro.
How long you been out here, bro?
Huh?
How long you been
I've been here on and off for over 10 years. I live in Florida though.
Okay.
I'm from New York though. I'm from Queens, Jackson Heights, 83rd Dogs, doing individual gangster stuff.
Bet.
All day, son. You already know.
Shout out.
Yo, take my info though.
For sure.
I got girls, I got everything, bro. I got bud, anything you need, bro. All A1, bro. That's my motto, bro.
I'm finna lock in.
Y'all going into the game or no?
Nah, we just chill out here. That's
Look,
crazy.
I'm with them two right there. He's from Germany and my other boy's from Florida.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a tour guide, bro. That's what I do.
Bet.
The best personal tour.
You got all
here.
services?
All, everything, bro.
Bet.
My original one got hacked, so that's why I got it like this. But I'm opening up my YouTube page and my TikTok. I'm going viral, bro. So that's the idea, bro. But
yeah,
we don't got that much time. But
you gotta lock in, bro. I'm gonna send you a message,
but look,
bro.
this is all I do, bro. I got all the tours. Look, I work with all these people, bro. I do the Pablo Escobar tour. You know what I'm saying? I got all my peoples, bro. So holla at me, bro. We definitely got some good shit.
I got you.
Let me
I'm gonna
get
throw
your
you on
number,
my
actually.
YouTube.
Yeah. Let me get your so I can. You got WhatsApp?
Yeah, for sure.
What is it? +1, right?
Yeah.
All right.
908. Kari, K-A-R-I.
Hey, tell them about my tours. How we work over here.
Hey,
Yeah.
man, right here.
Yeah.
We know everything in the city.
Okay.
This the guy, bro.
Where y'all from?
I'm from Florida.
All right.
Barranquilla.
He's from Cali.
And Cali.
Yeah.
Okay.
And my boys from Germany.
Okay. Germany in the house.
Where
you guys from?
For sure. I'm from Texas.
Texas.
Yeah.
All right.
What's
You
your
too?
name again?
Texas.
Kari. K-A-R-I.
Cool.
Yeah.
First time here?
Nah, I've been here for 3 years. Yeah,
So
bro.
you're doing this YouTube? No, this is just for you or what?
Nah, this is for my YouTube, bro.
This is for YouTube?
Yeah, this is for my YouTube.
Hey,
Yeah.
everything y'all need out here, nothing but love, bro. It's nice
sure.
to meet y'all. If
For
y'all
sure,
ever
bro.
want to go to the stadium, it's fun, bro.
For sure.
Yeah, bro.
Got
You
you.
make actually money with this YouTube? I always think about that.
I'll tell you where the money's
Unless
at.
you get like 1 million viewers.
It's not from actually YouTube. You have to like leverage a business out of YouTube.
Yeah.
You know
But
what
it
I
takes a long time, huh?
Yeah.
Send you my message, all
Nah,
right?
there's a million things you could do.
No, I
like,
send you a message.
Oh, okay, bet.
So then good luck, Texas.
Yeah,
Luck,
man.
guys, huh? That's nice.
Go, right? 908.
Yeah.
You should actually go inside and make a video.
Yeah. I see you in there, bro. I see you in there.
Oh, where did they go?
Shit. That shit funny as fuck. It's like This way.
Like catching bar scene.